Meet the stunning European hoopoe, one of nature's most unique birds. This bird rocks a crown-like crest that fans open when it's excited or alarmed, making it look like royalty in the wild crown. Its name, Hoopoe, comes from its soft, hoopoe call, which sounds like it's calling its own name. But here's the wild part, hoopoe have a defense superpower. They produce a foul-smelling liquid to scare predators and protect their nest's exploding head. They also love dirty work, feeding on insects, larvae, and even digging into animal dung to find food. Despite their messy habits, they're symbols of wisdom and luck in many cultures. Beautiful, strange, and full of surprises, the hoopoe proves nature